time now 10:13 and the outside temperature 18 degrees Celsius. We do ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop in front of the terminal building and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This is the termination of Air Canada's Flight 153. May we remind you to take all of your personal belongings with you upon deplaning. And please exercise caution when opening up the overhead bins, as some of the articles may have shifted due to aircraft movement. For those passengers who may require some assistance in leaving the aircraft, you're kindly requested to remain seated until most of the other passengers have left, and at that time, it'll be our pleasure to assist you. And we'd also like to remind you that it is forbidden to smoke or wear headsets connected to a personal entertainment device, such as an MP3 player, until well inside the terminal building. Cellular or mobile telephones may be used from this point forward. And ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you very much for having included Air Canada, as well as the Star Alliance, in your travel plans today. We do very much appreciate your patronage, and we hope to be of service to you on one of our many flights in the very near future. Once again, thank you, and good day.